In tonight's Health, a bit of a twist for those of you looking to improve the health of your career. CareerBuilder.com says piercings, bad breath, and tattoos are the top 3 deal breakers when it comes to getting hired or promoted. So tonight, we're tackling one of those issues, tattoos. And Dr. Mitchel Goldman from UCSD is here to tell us about a new fast way to get rid of it. And you said tattoo removal has become big business because a lot of people, for one, will tattoo their ex's name on their skin, and then what do you do?
Exactly, and with Valentine's Day coming up, I thought it'd be a nice time to talk about it. But you know, the tattoo business is a $1.6 billion business in this country. 30% of everyone under 30 gets tattoos, but if you get Bill's tattooed on you and you're no longer with Bill, like 5 or 10 years, what are you going to do? You got to get it removed.
And there are new techniques to do that now, because in the past it used to leave unsightly scars, but you say these new methods, you'll never be able to tell.
There really is, and there's a new laser on the market called a PicoSure, and this is an incredible advance over 20 years in laser technology. And what we can do is we can actually, even though we're seeing tattoos, this shows the PicoSure, and what it does is it literally vaporizes the tattoo. Now we have to do it with a local anesthetic, and then the tattoo particles almost become like little grains of sand, as you can see here, and it literally is absorbed. So your body just absorbs a tattoo.
Is it painful to remove it?
It is, and that's why we do it under local anesthesia, but it's not something that happens once. Most of the patients require 3, 4, or 5 treatments, but now we can get the tattoo removed and you will never know the tattoo is actually ever there.
What is the cost in getting all those treatments to get it done?
It all depends on the size of the tattoo. This new laser, for instance, costs $300,000 and almost $30,000 a year just in a service contract. So it's not going to cost $100 to get it removed. Usually a tattoo treatment is going to cost anywhere from $200 to $400 per treatment. But in like this patient, you can see that he had that tattoo put on and it took 4 treatments to make it go away. This other patient, 3 treatments to make it go away. And this patient, again, no longer dating Sarah, it took 3 treatments to make it go away.
Let that be a lesson to you. Well, I assume that like tattoo removal, that you've also seen advancement in ink. So have you had to change the treatments to go along with the different kind of inks that they use now? Or?
You know, unfortunately, there hasn't been that much of an advance. There's more artistic with ink. So we're seeing incredible types of colors and fluorescent. And with this new PicoSure laser, it's actually able to get all of the different colors of tattoo. In the olden days, we could only do maybe the browns and the blacks and the blues, and now we can do everything. There actually are newer inks on the market, but they're expensive, and so your tattoo parlors are only using colorful types of ink, and it makes it a little bit more difficult to remove, but with the latest technology, we actually can remove them now.
All right, so even along with that relationship that's gone out the window, tattoos aren't the commitment you think they are anymore.
And you'd never know. If you're in love with someone, putting their name on, it's forever, but in case you fall out of love, we now have good ways to change your life.
Well, thank you for being our fallback guy. Appreciate that, Dr. G.
Good to be
Andrew.
Here. All right, Kathleen, thank you very much.